2026 is here and running a business is tricky. Customers want more, tech is changing fast, and staying ahead is tough. But don't worry, I'll show you how to handle it. Hi, I'm Dalia, and today I'll explain the biggest problem businesses have now and how to fix it. Watch till the end, and I'll give you one tip that can save your business. Problem 1: fast changing technology. Tech like AI and automation are everywhere. Businesses who do not use it right fall behind. Even small companies can use AI for marketing, customer service, and making products faster. Tip: learn the tools, use them smartly, but don't overcomplicate. Problem 2: keep employees happy. Workers now want flexible hours, growth, and purpose. If they're not getting that, they leave. Hybrid work is now normal. Bosses forcing their workers to stay in the office might lose their best staff. Tip: give freedom, train your team, and make work meaningful. Problem 3: hard to get attention. There is too much content and choice online. People scroll fast. Even the best product will fail if no one notices it. Tip: tell your story, be real, and give value. People notice that. Problem 4: people care about ethics and sustainability. Customers now care if your business is eco-friendly or helps the community. If you ignore this, people will choose a competitor who shows they care. Tip: do small things like reducing waste or supporting small local projects. This helps your reputation. Problem 5: supply chain issues. Global problems like inflation, politics, and climate change can make suppliers unreliable. Sudden shortages can stop your business from running smoothly. Tip: have backup supplies and be flexible in your operations. How to fix it? Be flexible, use tech wisely, and focus on customers. Use AI where it helps. Be ready to change your plans quickly. Give value, care about ethics, and build trust. If you do this, your business will survive and grow in changing times. Tech, workers, ethics, attention, and supply. These are the big challenges. Solve them smartly and your business will do well. Like, subscribe, and comment what's your biggest challenge in your business, and let's talk solutions.